For Trodat Printies featuring the click-out button, changing the ink cartridge is easy. Locate the two locking buttons on either side of the unit. Locate the pad on the back. Depress the unit slightly and squeeze in the locking buttons. To remove the pad, simply press the click-out button. The pad will eject halfway, grasp it from the back, and remove it. Remove the cover from your new ink cartridge. Turn the stamp around and slide in the ink cartridge with the ink facing down. Depress the stamp slightly to disengage the locks. Your printy is now re-inked and ready to use.